Calhoun, northern Madison, southwestern Macoupin and Jersey counties until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near St. Charles, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hail up to 1/2 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with this storm, along with heavy rain and frequent dangerous lightning. Locations near the path of this storm include St. Anne, Overland, University City, Woodson Terrace, Lambert Field, St. John, Bell Ridge, Hazelwood, Berkeley, Kinloch. This storm will affect Confluence State Park, First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site, and Pere Marquette State Park. This storm will also impact Interstate 70 in Missouri from exit 227 to exit 231. Interstate 55 in Illinois from exit 30 to exit 33. If threatening weather approaches your area, take shelter in a sturdy building. Torrential rain, which may flood low-lying areas such as ditches and underpasses, is also likely. Do not drive your vehicle on a flooded roadway. At 8 p.m. at Lambert